Hey, what is up? It's Tech Drift with a brand new video for you guys today. In today's video, I want to show you how you can download a cool app for video editing on the iOS device. As you can see here, this is an iPhone 12. It's a relatively older model, and I want to show you what app you can do to video edit. Let's go ahead and show you what to download. This is an app called CapCut. A lot of you may have heard people use this to do TikTok videos and do video editing. It's a real powerful video editing software. And so we're going ahead and go to the App Store and search up CapCut, and we're going to go ahead and download the app. As you can see here, it's going to download for you. This app is very powerful with making any video edits. It gives you a lot of cool free options, a lot of free stuff. A lot of content creators use it. So let's go ahead and do that. Another one is iMovie, which the iPhone has already, or it's a built-in, or you have to download it. It's not really built-in, but it's basically what as an Apple product. It's basically what they want you to use. It's called iMovie. We're not really gonna look into that further, but we'll go into further with the CapCut, just a little bit of everything, just the gist of what you can do, you can video edit and stuff like that. Just waiting for it to download. Let it finish up on downloading, but it's a real cool app. I use it myself personally to make some video edits on it, TikTok, on Reels, short videos, YouTube Shorts. So it's pretty good free software out there. I highly recommend you downloading it and testing it out for yourself. As you see it, I'm loading it up. We can skip this. So, okay, we'll do allow full access. As you can see here, it has a lot of cool features. There's an auto feature where they'll smash the video for you. They'll make a smash up of the video. You can use different AI effects. A lot of free features. But yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.